Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is our Tesla pre-market analysis. One thing I want to start out by saying, yesterday I did a beta test run of live trading in the Discord channel, so I am going to do it again today. I will be on the channel at 8:15 Central Time. And the way you get there, if you go down to the bio, actually below the description here. If you click more, you can click on the Discord link and it should take you to our community. And then when you get to the community, you're going to want to go to the pre-market live channel. And then what I did yesterday was I started talking about the setups for Tesla. I spoke about broader markets and I pretty much said this is where I would take a trade, and I was taking trades as well. And I had a little sharing of screens involved there, still working out the technical side of things there. But nonetheless, I will be there again today at 8:15. Hopefully you will join me. So let's get back into economic data. As we said, government's still shut down. They're anticipating it to come to an end, though, this week. But even if it does not come to an end this week, on Friday, we are going to have core CPI. So that'll be a big number this week. But before that, of course, we have Tesla earnings after the close on Wednesday. So right now, what that does for Tesla, because Tesla can move $40, $50 either way after an earnings call, after they report third quarter earnings as well as having a call, it makes the implied volatility really high. And what that means is that if you're trading options, the premium price on the options are pretty inflated. For example, Tesla right now is trading at 446 and change. And on the $460 calls, which expire on Friday, the premiums are between $10 and $11, which is almost double what they normally should be. But I'll go over that later on in this video. So anyways, nothing else to report on the economic data side until Friday. Let's get into the broader markets. Broader markets here. We'll start with the ES. ES, everything was pushing higher here. All-time highs. We're getting close to it again at 68.12. I do anticipate a little for the market to get heavy above there. However, if we do break those all-time highs at 68.12 and a quarter, I can see us moving up to 68.53 for the first level of resistance. And then above that, I think we move into 68.97. And then you can see the levels that just start increasing from there. So 69.39 after that. If we lose Monday's high, which is September 22nd's high of 67.56.75, I think we can pull back into this 67.38 level. This is a good long level right there. And of course, and that's between 67.31.50 and 67.38 and a quarter. If we lose that, I think we pull back down here to the 67.18 level. And even below that, 67.03.75. That's just on the downside here. The NASDAQ, actually, before we do that, let's take a look at where we are on the SMAs. We are above the 20 SMA. We're above all the SMAs. Currently, right now, pre-market, we're trading below the close and below yesterday's highs on the ES. So something to keep in mind right there. Looks like we're getting a little resistance up there at 67.79.5. Call it 67.80. So let's get into the NASDAQ. NASDAQ NASDAQ's very strong. I think NASDAQ's almost stronger than the ES, but still similar charts here. Approaching all-time highs again. It's 25,394. And right now we are rejecting pre-market here. This 25,328.68. I do like a pullback level in this 25,160.75 level. If we get a pullback in there, I like that for a long entry. If you lose that level, I think we pull back down to 25,027 and a quarter. On the upside, if we break the all-time highs, I think we can move into this 25,64.47 level. And then that's the first level that I have there. And if we can get above that level, I think we can get up to that 25,788.28. I don't think that that's going to happen today. However, after Friday, after we get that core CPI, I think that could move the market either way. Okay, let's get back and let's get into Tesla now. Tesla, we spoke yesterday, pre-market. I said that we had this open. Let's go to the 15-minute here. Yeah, we had an open POC level at 447.96, and that I would like to see it get up there, but I said it was going to get heavy up here into this level, and that I would not really be comfortable being long Tesla until we can break this 452.75 level. And sure enough, we did. Market open, we popped right up into this POC level. Tried to get above it, could not hold it at 449.80, which was yesterday's high, and then we rejected it and had a significant downside right there. So right now, Tesla is still trading in this little channel here, and I think obviously we're waiting for the earnings call after Wednesday. So you can see Tesla's still very strong right here, but it's trading in this consolidating channel right here, a very wide channel between 415 and I'm maybe going to call it right here 450. I would say even less than that, 450.79 level right there. So it is a wide channel, but it's a typical Tesla channel right there. So let's so what I'm anticipating today. Let's look at these levels. I'm still thinking that we are going to be a little heavy up here until we can break and hold above the 452.75. Pullbacks, the first pullback level I like to see would be 441.46. I like this level for a long. You could see there were highs here rejected, highs here rejected, highs here rejected. Got above it, support, support. So right here, I do like if the market does pull back to this 441.46 for the first long entry. If we lose that 439.74 level, I think we can pull back into this 436.02 level, which is not another bad, a pretty good long here. So the only way I'm looking for longs on Tesla, I'm looking for longs, the ideal long for Tesla down here at 436, and then another long for Tesla up here at 452.75. If we get pushes up into this level, I'd be careful of it being heavy again and rejecting. However, we could blow through that level also because of the anticipated earnings call and the outlook for Tesla. So let's go over the 5-minute opening range trade from yesterday. And so let's go right here. Pretty good one on the open, as we talked about. The opening range trade for yesterday was 441.11 on the low side to 445.86. So about a $4 range here. So when we broke it was a very clean break. You can see this is a clean break. When you don't have a lot of wicks, it's a clean break. When you have wicks like this right in here, that's when you get chopped up with the options because you lose the theta on it. So the time decay lessens your premium chance here. So we did break it at, what time did we break it? We broke it pretty much 15 minutes into the hour, and 15 minutes into the trading session yesterday at 4. Let's see, we could have gotten about $4 out of that move here. 445.86 was the high. So yeah, just about $4 on the high side. And then the market pulled back, and then you had some opportunities to go long again. Could have gotten a little movement later on in the day. Right here, it was a big fake out, and then it held up. It looked like to me it wanted to make another low and break out on the low side, but it came in there. There were strong wicks that came in here about 10 after 10 and kept the market higher right now. So right now, today, my bias coming in today, I still think we're trading in a range. I think that maybe we get a little pop on the open and maybe a little downside. But you got to be quick on your trades right now. And so getting back to what I was saying earlier about the volatility. So if you look on here, I could even change this to 425. So if you look right now, Tesla right now is trading at 445. I have the 425 puts, which is $20 away from this strike price expiring on Friday, and the premiums are at $7.25. Okay, so that premium it's considered high volatility. Okay, so that means that on normal trading, when you don't have earnings call in the week or something, and we're $20 away from this strike price, and we have 4 days left till expiration, this premium price will be trading at about $3. Okay, and the same thing on the upside. I have a 465 call expiring on Friday, and you can see that's $20 away from the current price right now, and this premium price is at $9.50. Normally, being $20 away with a few days left till expiration, this is trading at probably between $3 and $4. So that's what they mean by high volatility. So what do you do on weeks that you have high volatility? The smart trader doesn't trade. If you feel a need to trade, then you just lower your lot size and then you trade, just on a very low lot size, and you get out of your trades quickly. So, but we're still going to go over live trading today, and we're going to watch it move because it will still move. And as it moves up, the premium price will still move up. And if it moves down, the premium price on the put side will move down. That is it for today. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Join the Discord, and please join me today at 8:15 for some live trading. And of course, leave comments below if you want me to cover anything that I'm not covering. Thanks, everybody. Have a great trading day. See you in the Discord.